Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your Instagram photos and videos to your phone gallery. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you come to archiving and downloading, so select that, and then you should see saving to camera roll, save original photos. So this just means automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. So all you have to do is toggle that on, and that will save all photos and videos to your phone or device. Thanks for watching.